LG PF50KA Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. Highly recommended to those who are looking for a low-price LG projector. Compact and nice design. Good value for the price. Comes with a good quality 100-inch screen. Bluetooth speaker connection. It has a smart system for the trouble-free connections. Good picture quality. Good Wi-Fi, Netflix, and Chromecast connections. Easy setup. Cons. Insufficient brightness. For a user, the picture was unwatchable after 2 weeks of use. Low battery life. It lacks UI. A user complained that it has outdated software and there is no way to update. Limited adjustment capability. That's it. Please like and subscribe.